Hi everyone, we're going to locate the absolute extrema of the function on the closed interval, and the first thing we're going to do is see if there's any critical numbers. So we take the first derivative, and this shouldn't have been x. Alright, and then you plug in, when you take the derivative of 2, that's 0, minus derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. So what you're going to get is 2x plus sine of x. Now finding the critical value, you set it to 0. And the only way this can happen is if x is 0. Or you could write negative 2x equals sine of x, and the only way this could happen is if x is 0, because sine of 0 equals 0. So when I plug 0 back into my original equation, I'm going to get y equals 0 squared minus 2 minus cosine of 0. Well, cosine of 0 is just 1, so y would be negative 2 minus 1, which equals negative 3. So our critical number is at 0, negative 3. And the only other thing we have to do is check your left endpoint and your right endpoint. I'm going to write it again really quick here. We have y equals x squared minus 2 minus cosine of x. And we're going to evaluate negative 1 and 3. So I'm just going to write it like this. And the easiest way to do this is your left. It's just go ahead and put in the calculator, because we need to see what is the max and min. And when you put this in the calculator, you're going to get negative 1 point, approximately, negative 1.5403. So I'm going to write this as negative 1, comma, negative 1.503 as your left. And then for your right, we plug in 3. So it'll be 9 minus 2 minus cosine of 3. And when you plug that in the calculator, you're going to get your right endpoint is 7.99. And then our critical number, so our critical number was 0, negative 3. So looking at our y value, my smallest number is negative 3. So this is going to be your minimum. Our largest number, or y, is 7.88. So this would be your maximum. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.